Hi, thank you very much for being here. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to make a website in Weebly. Let's come to the computer screen, and here you have to go to the weebly.com. Here we go. You have to sign in. I am already signed in my account, and I have already a website, and I'm going to add a new website. You have to click here in my site and click here add site. Here you have to select just a website or an online store. I'm gonna select just a website, and here you will find different templates regarding business, portfolio, personal, event, blog, coming soon, and others. These are all the templates, and you have to select your template. For example, I'm gonna make a portfolio website, so I want to select this template. Click here. Here is a theme preview. There is some problem here, so let me select another theme. Let me open this photography template. Here you can see the website, and then you have to click the start editing. Here in this screen you have to connect to your domain. If you have the domain, you can connect it, or you can connect it later. Just click this cross icon. So I will do it later. I do not want to connect with any app, so reload the editor. So here is the website, and you can edit all of these elements easily. For example, if you want to edit this element, you have to click here. When you will click here, you will find its editing options. Like if you want to edit this image or want to replace this image, you can easily do it with the help of their built-in editor, or you can use your own one. So after editing, you have to save this. In the same way, if you want to edit the text, you can easily edit it from here. You can bold or italic, you can create the link. In the same way, services portion, you can easily edit. You can create the link, spacing, caption, everything is editable here. Same way, you can edit this one. This is the slideshow. You can edit this one, or you can add new photos here, or you can set the speed, spacing, everything you can do it from here. So you can change the button also. Or now come to the point here in menu. So if you want to add more pages or want to edit pages, you have to go to pages, and here in pages you can see all of these pages. You can change their name, you can change header type, visibility, SEO, and you can copy it from here. You can make them drop down. Like if you want to make them drop down, you have to drag it to the left side. In the same way, drag it to left side. Now you can see these menus have become the drop down. In the same way, there are some other options. Like if you want to change the theme, you can change it from here. You can change font from here. If you want to add apps, you can easily add apps here. So if you want to do some setting like SEO, site title, personal, SSL certificate, favicon, you can do all of these settings from here. In the same way, you can do the SEO like footer code or site description, meta keywords. You can put it here in editors. And if you want to make the members or want users to log into your website, so you can do these settings from here. If you want to make the blog, you can do these blog settings here. So this is a way how to make the website or how to edit the website. You can see here these elements you can add. For example, if I want to put a button here, I have to drag this button to this place. You can see my button is here. Now you can edit this button, its text or its position or its links. You can do it easily from here. So this is a way how to make a website on Weebly. After setting it up, you have to publish this website, and you have to connect your domain here, and after successful connection, your website will be live. So this is a way how to make a website on Weebly. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.